In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send estimates to customers in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll be confident creating a clean, professional estimate and sending it directly to your customer without any confusion. First, log in to QuickBooks Online so you're on your company's homepage. From here, click the Create button to start a new transaction. In the panel that opens, look under the Customer section and choose Estimate. This opens a fresh estimate form where you'll enter the details your customer needs to review. At the top, open the Customer field and select the existing customer you're preparing the estimate for. Take a moment to confirm the email address is filled in and accurate, since this is where QuickBooks will send the estimate. A correct email helps you avoid delays and keeps your communication professional. Next, set the estimate date. This date is what your customer will see, and it's useful for tracking when you sent the proposal. If your business has standard timelines for accepting estimates, make sure the date aligns with those expectations. Now add the product or service you're estimating. Choose it from your list, so QuickBooks can pull in the name and sales description you've already set up. Enter the quantity and rate for each line. This is where pricing accuracy really matters, so double-check units, amounts, and any special pricing you've agreed to. As you fill these in, the form will automatically calculate line totals based on your entries. Review the total amount shown at the bottom. Ensure it reflects everything you intend to include. This is a good time to verify that any applicable taxes or discounts already built into your setup are reflected correctly. If something looks off, recheck the quantity and rate fields you just entered. If you want to add context or set expectations, use the Message to Customer field. Keep it clear and concise, such as outlining what's included, timelines, or next steps for approval. Avoid adding any sensitive information here. When everything looks good, click Save and Send. QuickBooks will open an email preview so you can see exactly what your customer will receive. Review the subject line, the body of the message, and the attached estimate. Make sure the tone and details match your brand and the proposal you're making. Finally, click Send Estimate. Your customer will receive the estimate by email, and QuickBooks will track it as sent, so you can follow up confidently. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.